Lazy Cooking with Chef K. I'm going to be cooking pasta. Now, I am, in fact, certified to do this. It even says right here, this is my badge. See, it says Certified Italian. That says badge. If you don't have a certified Italian badge, you just can't cook Italian food. And if you do cook Italian food and you don't have this badge, that makes you culturally inappropriate, which is completely offensive, and you should just be murdered. You should always respect other people's cultures by not participating in it if you are not born into that culture. Does that make sense? Yeah, it doesn't really make sense to me either. Like, I just go with the flow. Oh, hey there, guys. Yeah, we're making pasta. See, I'm a certified Italian. That's why I get my pasta noodles in a box like this. And I'm also going to be using pasta sauce, which is this stuff right here. There used to be a time when I actually used to make my own pasta sauce. I would actually have a blender, and then I would take tomatoes, I would blend them, and I would put them through this complicated process. And I'll tell you, it took 8 hours to clean out that blender. So, and the blender broke, so I can't do that anymore. So then I downgraded to getting tomato sauce and tomato paste in a can. And I would season it, and you can season it different ways. You can add your rosemary in there. You can add, forgot that other seasoning. You can add thyme, garlic, you can add the whole shish kabang. But you know what? It's just more cost effective just to buy sauce that's already seasoned and stuff. But I still season it a little bit. As the saying goes, garlic, you can't go wrong with adding garlic. Also, this is not for everyone, but this is just for me. Crushed red pepper, I add a little. Always as a general rule of thumb, it's always best to put water in something like this, put it in a boil, and then put your noodles in it. It's better to do that than to use the microwave. Microwave just doesn't do it. The microwave sucks. You have to use the stove, my God. Come on, people. I know this might be an old, ancient invention. You probably don't even understand what it is. It's actually not even that old and ancient. It's pretty modern. Actually, it's about 7 years old. I gotta upgrade that thing. Oh, crap. Gosh, damn it. I don't have money for that shit. Nor do my parents do. This is my parents' house, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to pretend it's my house. Because it just makes me feel grown up, even though I'm... The general rule of thumb when it comes to boiling water, they always say that you should add salt to it. I don't know why you're supposed to add salt. I do it anyway, though. It's old conventional wisdom. But I have no clue why I'm supposed to do it. Maybe I need to ask a scientist or a chef. Do chefs even know what they're talking about? Oh, I am a chef, that's right. Yes, you need to add salt. It cooks the food better. Yeah, that's right. Stirring the noodles with a metal spoon, because this is not real cooking. Stirring the sauce with a metal spoon, because this is not real cooking. That's how you stir the sauce. It's just about done. Oh, my apologies. I did not notice you were right there. I have something to say. Every Monday and Friday, this channel is going to be uploading a video. And besides that, we might upload videos on other days too. But Mondays and Fridays, definitely 100% for sure. So check out this channel every Monday and Friday. Yeah. Now go away.